Hi everyone, this is Santiago and today I'm going to show you SOPS, which stands for Secret Operations, and it's a very simple tool that allows you to encrypt and decrypt configuration files, retaining the keys of say YAML files, JSON files, but encrypting only their values. And I found this on pentestreports.com. This links to the GitHub repository where the code is because it's open source. And here you can also find ways to install it, which is super simple. As a Go application, it's just downloading the binary. Of course, verify the checksum and other ways to make sure that it's secure and trusted. Because I did beforehand, I can do that again now. So essentially, I'm downloading the file, and once it's downloaded, I'm going to mark it as executable and move it to my local bin directory. And that's how you install it, super simple. By the way, the keys to encrypt and decrypt those configuration files need to exist somewhere. So it could be GPG, it could be Azure KMS or Amazon KMS, or it could be Vault and other solutions. So let me show you with GPG. So first I need to generate a key. It's going to be RSA, the longest, then to expire in 3 months. Correct, yes. And okay. So that's the key generated, and I have the fingerprint. And if you need to retrieve the fingerprint, say a day after creating this, you can always do list secret keys, and you have it here. So once you have that, or configuration for say Azure KMS or Amazon KMS, you need to create a configuration file where you specify the creation rules. So what are the secrets? And in this case, I'm going to specify a regular expression, say secrets, anything with a YAML extension, and then PGP for pretty good privacy, my fingerprint, and that's it. Then we can create a secret that is going to be a configuration file for a DB or pretend DB. Say root secret 123. Okay, so that's the configuration file in plain text. Now enter SOPS. So if I do SOPS encrypt secrets DB and I output or dump the output to DB encrypted, you can see that now DB encrypted has the username and password, but the value, and these are readable, but the values are no longer readable. These are encrypted using the GPG key. And how can you read them? Well, if you have the right keys, you can do SOPS and pass the file name. So DB, now you have it decrypted, and I can edit it, say, okay, now I'm going to rotate my password, make it more secure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and save it. And now that's different. So that's essentially what SOPS is. Of course, you can use it in very different environments, but you can use it in Kubernetes configuration files, secrets, and various other places as well. Hope you find it useful. Until the next one, bye bye.